Hey everybody, what's up? Jumpin' KJ. Hey, we are 12 hours and 2 minutes from launch. And I just remembered I forgot to cover something. And something else. And something else. I'm going to keep doing this all freaking night to myself. Anyhow, check this out. Uh, what do you do with your old spreadsheets? You got spreadsheets all over the place. You want to convert them, but you don't want to convert 1,100 planes one at a time, doing them the way we do it here in SkyPilot. So here's how you do it. Okay, it gives you an example here how to do it. Okay, you import aircraft name, if you examined it, acquired it, what the mission level is, and then pilot level 0 to 3. Okay, and then you got bulk CSV template, Excel spreadsheet, and then instructions. Okay, so watch. Um, I'll open. That's where your export SOF status of forces. That means it's all of the nations. DRR is just daily readiness report. Okay. So what I did here is I gave you a list of all the aircraft that are in this current build of War Thunder. Okay. So what you can do is use these filters and sorting mechanisms to get all the let's say you want to do USA first, okay? You got you got 9 out of you got 90% in aircraft in USA, okay? I mean for you that you got that many collected, okay? So you come in here, you unselect all of the other ones, you select USA, hit OK, and you come in here and then in rank and arrow, you just sort it. Okay, so you just go here, sort. Oh, wait, let me see if I can do this. Format, oh, sort and filter. Sort A to Z. Boom. Okay, now USA sorted 1 through 9. Okay, with 9 being in the middle because it's got an IV. Okay, IX instead of regular. Uh, it goes all the way to 1 through 8, and it goes through 9, but 9 is here, right here in the middle. Okay, those 4 or 5 aircraft. Okay, so you just go through, copy and paste the aircraft that you have. So if you got all rank 1, copy them. If you're missing a couple, just hold down the control key, take those couple out that you don't have, hit control C, control V over here, paste them over here. You can't paste them. I forgot. You can't paste if you don't have all the rows in. You got to paste this many, then this many, then this many. You paste them, in little chunks. Okay. And when you get them all pasted together, then bring them over here to the other spreadsheet, to the one that you find in the, oh, not there, the documents section inside of Vanguard C4. Okay. Vanguard C4 directory under C. Program files, Vanguard C4, okay? That's where all of our programs are stored, okay? So you go into SkyPilot, go into Docs, and now let's stay focused on what we're doing, okay? You got your Excel importer here, your your comma delimited, your CSV formatted one, and then you got your bulk roster importer README, your instructions on how to do it, okay? So let's open the importer. There you go. So now you start pasting those aircraft. 1, 2, you get USA, all the USA ones. Then you go to Germany, do all of them. I know it's going to be difficult, okay? But if you only want USA, or maybe you only want rank 9, right? Then just come, or maybe you just want rank 8 and 9. You only want to track rank 8 and 9 because you don't do any more. You don't have anything more to do with uh, rank 1 through 7, okay? Then what you do, you go here, select all of them, okay? Leave it sorted by 1 through 9 right here. You just sort it by A to Z. That'll sort them for you. Come down here, all the way to the bottom. Grab the ones that are 8 and 9, the ones that you want to keep track of. Bring them over. Oh, bring them over to the spreadsheet first. Bring them over here. Paste them in. There's your aircraft names. All your aircraft names are done. Now you just got to say, well, hey, are they? Well, let me show you the instructions. Instructions say aircraft name, then examined, you put a 1, or 0, you put, no, I didn't examine it when I don't have it, okay? So 0 or 1, okay? So we're going to say the first aircraft, we have it, okay, and we acquired it. So it's yes in both those columns. So you put a 1, 1, done. Mission level. You know your mission levels more than anybody else, but right here, 0 through 4, and then 0 through 3 for the pilot. If you've got all these things maxed out, it won't take you no time at all to go 0 through 4, and then just copy and paste these things straight down. Boom, you're done. Right here. Boom. Copy them down. I mean, you gotta have a little bit of, you can do this in Google Sheets too, okay? Not just in Excel like I'm using here. And then you just paste it down, all your aircraft name, get them all in there. And if you got a couple of 3s in there, use all the 4s and then just go 3, 3. Oh, I had the 3 on this one. A10, I had a 3, 3 over here. Pilot on this one only was a 3. Same thing this one and this one. I'm working on this one. I'm working on this one. And that's it. And then you're done and bring it in. Right here. Export, import, SOF right here. Bring in your file and you're done. And you just do the 1s and 2s as you get them. Or maybe you're done. Maybe you're done collecting. Which after 13 years, some of you guys are done. All right, what else we got? In the documents folder for SkyPilot, you've got the CPR explain explain document, and that'll explain the CPR document. I mean the CPR for. Remember we had that video on CPR. This just does the composite CPR. Then you got BOSS, Better Opportunities, Battle. Oh crap. I forget the name of it. Battle. Crap, it was a long time ago I did this. It's Battle Outlook Status Sheet. I made up I made up a name. And then in the corner of it, in the title of it, click that link. Sound link. Sound a little surprise. Anyhow, and that's 2 documents you have there, and then you have the spreadsheet import stuff. Okay? Now, second thing I want to show you is Scout. Okay? Is Scout for your personnel. Okay? Go to Docs. Here we go. We got the documents. Now, this is where it gets kind of, I know you got 123 people. What are you going to do? You got to bring each one in at a time. You got to invite them. No, you don't need to do that. Okay? Read before importing, right here. And then you get a sample roster. So bring both of those up. Read this real quick. It tells you what there's your names right there. So you put your names in this column. You probably got a spreadsheet, copy, paste. The ranks, you're going to have to probably convert because I'm sure your rank system is not exactly in tune. If it is, you're lucky as hell. And you've got ESPN. I mean, ESP. Because because you knew exactly what I was going to put in there. But then you display name, lieutenant, blah blah blah, whatever the name is, chief of staff. Follow these exactly the way they are, otherwise when it comes in you'll get errors. And then do not import sync. Okay, use the other 8 ranks because you are the sync. The commander-in-chief, no one else. You can only have 1 sync. Okay, so bring them all in. When you got that done, you can bring them right into You can bring them right in and import in the Sonar and fill out your data. Now, granted, and this is the reports to column over here. So if you know who they report to, you can fill that out too, and then your structure's done. your structure will be done like this. Let me show you. It's not gonna. When you do this, make sure that you do it. If you're going to do this right, do it slowly and meticulously, okay? Because if you do not, you'll end up with a mess and you'll have to start over, okay? Use this Sonar's user guide here and the markdown one. Use the markdown one. Use Google to view it. Just a little bit formatted for easier for you to read. Okay. Go one at a time, read this fully, then go ahead and do it. Or just do one invite at a time, however you feel comfortable doing it. Because you screw up the Sonar thing, everything gets screwed up after that. All your personnel files, this guy's reporting to this guy, wait, this guy reported to that guy, but he's over here. Just do it slowly and meticulously, and you'll get it. And have other people help you. If you got to do imports, like you import this side, I'll import this side, and then just work on those two sides, you know. So, all right, I think that's all I got for tonight. I know there was something else I forgot. Probably. But I'll think of it and I'll get a video out to you guys right away. And if there's something I missed, please put it in the comments. Okay, I haven't seen any comments, so I guess I'm doing all right. But if I missed something, please tell me, please. Okay, and like I said, I will get the sand. Which one? The Norton 2. Oh, the CPR document and the sand table or I think it's sand table document I was going to put up there. No, I'll put up everything that I can. It's transparent, fully transparent. Okay. All right, guys. You have a good night, and in 12 hours, 11 hours and 50 minutes, you'll be downloading your to your heart's content. All right. Take care, guys. Have a good one. If I can find the button to get out of here. There it is.